Hi, everybody. I'm Julie Kratz. I am an inclusive leadership trainer, speaker, and author focused on how to be an ally in the workplace. I'm joined with Erica Young, my co-facilitator for the Unpacking Racism workshop series that we're leading. Erica, tell our viewers something about you.
Yes, I'm so happy to be here as well. And I'm a financial coach. I've been doing this work for 15 years. And here recently, in the last couple of years, Julie and I connected, and we have this shared interest to make certain that everyone has a diverse workspace, as well as making sure that we've got allies that are on our team to make certain that we're advancing. And so, in my personal life, as well as in professional life, I'm doing more work around workshops and racism and diversity so that we can all be a bit more inclusive and also have friend groups inside and outside of work that will make a difference into that effort. So I'm really happy to be a part of this.
Oh my gosh, I'm so thankful to have you as an ally, Erica. And teaming up on this is something that has been a personal passion of ours for a number of years. We've worked together on workshops, and I know the power of getting people in the room together and the virtual room together as we do now with diverse experiences, diverse backgrounds. Truly, we are stronger together when we can appreciate differences, recognize differences, but also facilitate a meaningful discussion about how those different perspectives can help us be better in the workplace. And so the Unpacking Racism workshop series that we have with a certification around it, meaningful content, lots of dialogue. So you and I are a big fan of interaction
That's right.
and getting people to interact with the content. So we have a 6-part series that we believe are the right nuggets to meet people where they're at in their inclusive leadership journey. It could be a manager, it could be a high potential employee, it could be anyone in your organization that really wants to lead like an ally, to be inclusive, especially now in such turbulent times where people are wrestling with these issues and may not have the language or understanding on how to talk about it. So that's the course that we developed, and we cover everything from how to be vulnerable and step into the space, comfort with discomfort. We talk about the systems of racism. And Erica, I know you have passion around helping people understand, the journey that we've been on with race as well.
Yeah, absolutely. I think we have to begin with the history so that people understand where things began and where we are today, that we're not completely out of the system. I think a lot of people we would all love to think that we can sweep this under the rug and it's all going to be better, but honestly, it takes a bit of work and learning. We also have tons of resources. The whole point in the workshop, too, is to get you into action. There's always something to do after each one of our workshops so that you can practice vulnerability. Go read a book or some more content. We've got podcasts for you to listen to and things of that nature so that you can really do some of the work. And that's where I believe all of the magic happens, where you really start to open your eyes and figure out what type of ally, advocate, or person who walks alongside in this journey so that you can make an impact who you want to become. And I
Yeah.
love being a part of that process.
Yeah. Yeah. It's oftentimes once you see it, you can't unsee it on the
Absolutely.
journey. And it very much is a journey. The curriculum that we have, we know we've tried and tested over time, helping people understand their privileges, helping unpack that. It doesn't mean you're a bad person if you have privilege. It's actually a chance to be more of an ally for others. But it takes an intentional set of experiences to get people from point A to point B. It's not a one and done, check the box type of event. And that's the content and curriculum that we've designed in this program. So we hope that you will join us. There is more information at nextpivotpoint.com. There you can see the next live event that we're hosting with open enrollment, as well as we can bring these tools inside your organization and host in-house programs virtually for now, hopefully someday in person as well.
Yes, thank you so much for watching us today. This is going to be a really great opportunity if you decide to jump in. So join us on this journey, and we promise that it will be transformative and make an impact on those that you lead and serve with.